Yo, microphone check, make it a microphone check. Give it a microphone, I make it a microphone dead. Don't step to me, newbie, I could truly be moody. I could have played the fucking Grinch in the movies. I've been a part-time shadow cat, part-time. That is not a guy that I would ever want to try to battle rap. Snap, crackle, pop, mind fried to a crisp. Make an MC into a wide-eyed lunatic.
Welcome to Urban History Adventure. Today we've come back to the campsite, so we're perfecting the campsite again. So something just rolling around on the floor down there. I don't know what it was. But today we're actually going to make a stove. I'm going to try and cook on it, so keep tuned. We are improving the campsite every time we come. So you saw the tarp. I don't know if you saw that actually. We put the tarp up when we came for our session night, but I don't think we showed it you. Yeah, he's actually in there. Can you see it? There he is, you can see it. But I will show you in a minute, because I've got bad light, so I need to get my light on. So right, I'll pick up when we do stuff. Right, Josh is trying to get the fire going, and he's got the proper thing to get it going there. Did you see that? That was awesome. But the problem is now is you've done it, Josh. Literally, yeah, you've done it. You've done it, yeah. Yeah, it's worked. There you go.
I could never get a fire started. Now we're in my house with everything dry.
He's literally just done it, yeah. He's got a bit of turp on there, though. That does help.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'll just show you the tarp we've got up. There's our little shelter for our fire shelter. So we are coming to camp around Christmas when we get us new stuff. So this is what this is about. So I've got that though, if you want it. Yeah, so right, I will see you shortly, guys. We are going to be building a stove for, we've brought food to cook, so we're going to cook on a stove on this video. So I will see you shortly, guys. Right, me and Josh are going to go for a wood hunt now, because that's not going to keep going otherwise. Are we going the wrong way here or what?
We're actually doing this from dead trees that I've seen walking past.
In a bit though, we are going to grab some stones, bring them down, and we're going to try and make a stove to cook on. Yeah, it should be fun, that.
Yeah, just a bit further
Whoa. What, you on about like around here? Oh. Right. Right, I'll stop for now, guys, because we need to collect some wood up. I'll see you back at camp. Yeah, just following what Josh just said on his clip, we've got fire going, we started getting the rocks, and yeah, our URBEX is here, which he's not using in the videos lately, but here he is. He may even make the title screens. We'll see.
all the way around the camp.
Eventually, yeah, all around in it.
Yeah.
We are going to have to remember to leave like an entrance though to get in and out. Right, that's going beautifully. So we just need to go and get some more wood. Right, I'll pick up here a bit, guys. Right, we've got this fire going nicely. So me and Ash has literally just come to this conclusion that if we've got two pieces of wood like this, we can put... Can you show my fuse, please? you can get
Like that.
that and put that and just put the
It
burgers
needs
on
to be more
top.
straight.
But we cut, yeah, as Ash just said, we can straighten it out and stuff. So look, he's actually fucking weird for a change. I bet people forgot what he looks like. Right.
I'm only with you because I'm meant to be on a bike ride, but my bike.
Oh yeah, this guy. He's just yeah. Right, we'll see you in a bit, guys. We finally got our burgers on. We've not built the one that we intended to do, but we've certainly got one going here now, and it's working. We might have to bring some of them
Look at that.
poles down from back, but it's certainly working.
I know, first burger.
Look at that, guys. Yeah, we're pretty proud of this because it's the first time we've actually attempted
Cooked on an
cooking on
open
a fire. So, nice one. Right, I'll see you in a bit, guys. Right, we've just had our burgers. I think I'm just getting sauce off my mouth. So they're nice. We've got 2 more going now. So yeah, I think anyone should try this. It's pretty cool. And then especially what we've got going with the fire at the back and the burger thing going. That's really cool. So, right. I'm dark. There we are. Yeah. So we're near the end of the video now. So we've got us burgers done. This is going to be a short one, definitely, because we just wanted to come and show you how to do this. So right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.